Hello dear students, let us start the second part of chapter 14, chemical effect of electric current. Before starting today's session, let us discuss or recall the things which we have discussed in our previous session. We discussed about the conductors, insulators and also electrolytes, electrodes. So we discussed about electrolysis process and the example of copper sulfate in detail. Let us start today's session with this electrolysis of water. When electric current passes through the water, it splits into hydrogen and oxygen gas. This is called electrolysis of water. When electric current passes through water, oxygen bubbles are produced at the electrode connected to the positive terminal and the hydrogen bubbles get collected on the electrode which is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Let us start the another topic, application of electrolysis. Electrolysis is used extensively for commercial purposes. Some of them are purification of metal, extraction of metals and electroplating. So let us discuss each of them in detail. First, purification of metal. For this purpose, the impure metal is made the anode and a pure metal strip is used as a cathode. A soluble salt of pure metal is taken as electrolyte. When the current is passed through electrolyte, anode dissolves but only the pure metal deposit on the cathode. For example, copper, silver, gold, zinc are refined by this process. Second application, extraction of metal. Some metals are extracted from their ores using electrolysis. For example, aluminium is obtained by passing an electric current through fused bauxite, Al2O3. Active metals like sodium, calcium and magnesium are also extracted from their ores using electrolysis. Third and important application is electroplating. Electroplating is the process of depositing a thin layer of one metal over another metal by the method of electrolysis. The articles of cheap metals are coated with precious metals like silver and gold to make them more attractive. The articles to be electroplated is made the cathode and the metal which is to be deposited is made the anode. A soluble salt of the precious metal is taken as electrolyte. When current is passed through the circuit, a thin film of a metal deposits on the cathode. As you can see in the given picture that how the electroplating of copper takes place. You can see in the activity, object is dipped in copper sulfate solution and connected to the negative terminal of a battery. A copper strip is dipped in the solution and connected to the positive terminal of a battery. When current passes through the solution, copper from the copper strip is deposited on the object. Application or uses of electroplating. Electroplating is widely used for coating metals object with a thin layer of different metals. For example, chromium plating is done on many objects such as kitchen gas burners, bathtubs, etc. Another use is it is widely used to prevent corrosion. For example, chromium has a shiny appearance and it does not corrode. Next, jewelers electroplate silver and gold on less expensive metals. Tin cans are used for storing food are made by electroplating tin on iron. Iron is coated with zinc to protect it from corrosion and to prevent formation of rust. The explanation part of the chapter is completed. Soon we will share question answer of the chapter and also worksheets related to this chapter. Till then, take care and have a nice day ahead.